Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to find your account number or routing number for Wells Fargo, I've got you covered with a few simple steps. First, the easiest way is to log in to your Wells Fargo online account. Once you're signed in, choose the account you're looking for, and here's where you'll find both numbers. To get your account number, just look below the account name, and you'll see 4 numbers listed there. For the routing number, select the Routing Numbers link directly below your account name, and it'll appear right after your account number. You can also check your account statement. Whether you're looking at your online or paper statement, your account number will be located at the top. Another option is to look at a personal check. Your account number will be at the bottom of the check, right after the routing number and before the check number. So there you go. Whether you're online or offline, finding your Wells Fargo account and routing numbers is super simple. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below.